Hi everybody, Keith Best here. So in this video I'm going to go over how to use, or how I use, Digital Marketing Toolbox to generate the actual site for me for Magic Page plugin. But it's something I got asked on the live and I said I'll do it, so I'm going to do it. Now I'm probably going to split this up into 2, maybe 3 videos, purely and simply because I'm not as good at doing this as what Matt is. I'm learning as I go. Like I say, it took me probably about 2.5 hours to get a site which was right bang on. Everything's in place for the silo structure, the whole lot. And that's what I'm going to go through, show you everything on it, which is why I'm going to split it down into 2, 3, excuse me, more if I required. So all I've done now is basically I've logged into Network Empire and I've created my profile for electrician. Obviously I couldn't show you doing that because that lists all my other profiles on there, and since I've been playing with this, there's quite a few on there. Some really good ones which I'm going to be targeting. Electrician was the one which somebody picked out. I think it was Chris might have picked it out from Manchester. So I've just gone with electrician. I know nothing about electricians, but what I've done is I've done some research, just a quick bit of keyword research. I haven't been doing it long, probably about half hour, something like that. And what I found is electrical repairs sounds really good, but then when you look down, it's like all appliance repairs, domestic appliance repairs, and it's like, I'm not sure whether, again, I don't know. I thought that would be like appliance repair people would do that, and electricians would do other stuff. So one thing I did find was, hang on, let me know it. I think it's that. Yeah. AICR certificate's got 2,900 searches. And it's obviously like sort of quite good because it's like, myconstructor.gov.uk. And it's something what the landlords, if I get this right, yeah, it's like landlords have got to get the houses tested. So it's something that like it has to be done. So it probably would be a good one to actually rank for, because obviously you could give electricians, I don't know how hard it is to do one of these, but I don't suppose it's that hard. I'm sure the electricians would like to get them because obviously it must be it's a regular job anyway, and I think you're going to get quite a lot out of it. There's other things which like sort of come into the same thing as that, which of course is the like pad testing. Again, 27,100. So they're the sort of things that I was thinking I can like have a look at them and see what we can do. So obviously, pad testing there, you've got the HSE. You're going to take some beating to knock them off, but again, that's for pad testing itself. But say if I went for pad testing Manchester, that's where Chris was from. I mean, there, pad testing Manchester is 320 a month. That's not a bad number. And you've got Greater Manchester pad testing. Somebody's got an exact match domain for it. So it's obviously there's money in it. There's ad there, so there's money in it. Let me referring domain 16. So yeah, we could beat them out if we wanted to. No problem. So I think I'm probably going to look along the lines of doing something with testing stuff. And I found this other site as well, which is a Mr. Electric, and find your local Mr. Electric. So basically, doing something similar to what we do. It's got all sorts of different stuff in there. But I thought I would use him just to get some ideas for what keywords he's got, because he's got commercial, AICR, he's got that on there. He's got like lighting, pad testing, so rewires, landlords. So I thought I would have a look at that. So once I've logged in here, the first thing you do is you put, you have to put a domain in. And basically, I haven't got one. So it's just, I don't know, I'll just call it demo domain.com. No, I need all the HTTPS demodomain.com. In the United Kingdom, google.co.uk. Yep. Site type is my money site. Obviously, the next I'm going to find out anyway. I'll do create a project. Now, normally I would do more research and I'd put maybe try and see if I can find 3 of these. But just for this, I'm just going to do this one. Should get enough. Just drop back in. Right, so I've got input gets put down there because it's got nothing. So then I'm going to put this in here. I'm just going to put Mr. Electric competitor site. And again, he's in the United Kingdom. Again, I want to go to UK. This one is a competitor site. And how many keywords has he got? He's got over 1,000 keywords. Let's go for 500. Over 500 there. Number of page results, number of that. That will do. I've got, seems I'm only using one domain. I'll go for 500. Create a project. Normally I would have just left them at 250. Because I'm only using like this one domain, I want to try and get a few more keywords. Just so I've got something to look at. Just to give me an idea again about like this, whether to go for AICR and pad testing, and see if there's any other sort of tests that they do. Okay, so I've now got Mr. Electric, 1,036 keywords. He gets 14,330 traffic, which is worth like sort of 23 grand. He's got no AdWords. So, stage 1 is done. So now I jump into demo domain here, and I get all these come up now, and I go into global data, and I do all domain keywords. That opens that up in a different thing. So I've got 500 keywords to look at, so let's have a look. So do that, make that 500. Oh, straight at the top, AICR certificate. So there's like sort of 2 keywords. You know, sort of 10,000. So AICR seems to be, I think I'll probably go for AICR certificate. AICR test. Right. So let's write that down. So I want AI keyword to drill into wants to be AICR certificate. So that's 1. See, I don't really want electrical repair because I found that one I wasn't too, well, commercial electrician could be 1. And pad testing. Here's some questions for AICR. Electrical installation. Yeah, I can go for that one. That's going to be the full job in it. Well, I might put that one on a different site because obviously if they're getting AICR tests and don't even maybe get, I don't know what they'll be. Probably on 60, 70 quid, something like that, I don't know. So if they're getting 60, 70 quid, they're not going to want to spend as much as whereas if they're getting a full electrical installation in somebody's house, which is going to be a few grand, you can sell that lead for more. So I'll probably put electrical installations on a different website. So I'll leave that one for later. Electrical services, commercial electrical contractors. See again, commercial electrics, residential electrician. I always try and find and keep things together for like price wise so that I can say, right, okay, like I say, for part testing and stuff like that, it's probably about 60, 70 quid. So if I'm going to do that, I'm probably charge them maybe a tenner, somewhere around that range. Whereas if I've got like full electrical installation, I'd want to be charging more than a tenner for it. So I would put like sort of electrical installation and maybe like emergency electricians together. Whereas I want to try and keep this one all like the cheap end, if you like. See, electrician Gloucester's 590. True local electricians, for your home electrician, 5-year electrical test. So that's a domestic test. Alright, we've got domestic electricians. Domestic. Good questions. Electrical testing inspection. Because that's domestic one. So testing, we've got pack testing, we've got AICR certificate. Right, okay, we'll have electrical testing then. So that's me 3. So if we've got AICR, pack testing, electrical testing, so we can get another one. Electrical inspection, that would be the same as testing really. Which one's got the most? 210, 70, yeah. Let's see periodic further up. Electrical inspection and testing, 590. Electrical testing / inspection. I'll have a look, see which one of them is the better one. Electrical testing or electrical inspection. Home electrical, domestic electrical installation, electrical maintenance, electrician Wakefield, 320. Might be building a site out. Uploaded plug sockets, pad testing. There's a periodic again. Periodic inspection. Good question. Right, well that'll do, I think. I don't want to go on too long checking all these. I can always check some more later. Yeah, again, electric car charging points installation might be a good one to go for, but that one I would go for on a separate site. Just something to do with all about electric car chargers. Because again, it's going to be worth more as a lead for that than what it is for your pad testing and stuff like that. So I've got over 100, I'll search over 100 of them. I'm not going to go all the way down to the bottom. My periodics there again, though. AICR. Yeah, so they look like me good ones to go for, I think. Right, so so we've got them out now, so I'm going to go for, get a drink. AICR certificate, pad testing, and electrical testing, electrical inspection. So I'm going to drill down into them. So all I've done at the moment, create me project, put in my site, my demo domain, and put in somebody else's site, and just basically I look at the keywords. So now I'm going to jump down onto keyword research and do keyword research. This is where I'm going to drill down into what these keywords are. So this one's going to be EICR Actually, was it? Let's have a look first. AICR. Yeah, AICR still gets 1,900. So 6% traffic. A bit competitive. AICR test. About the same. AICR report. AICR report's got 3,600 search volume. Might be better going for that one. The ICR report. Well, what the difference is, everything you need to know about AICR, so he's ranking for that. Test. So it looks like the certificate is the main thing, isn't it? What is AICR regulations? Commercial AICR. Shame I don't have a mate who's an electrician. Right, it's starting to get down into the rubbishy stuff now, so it's going to be either AICR certificate or AICR certificate report test, not AICR report. I'm going to go for certificate. AICR I might have a look at report later. So google.co.uk. So let's put that in. Electrician. Right, I want this to be United Kingdom. Price, let's just say 100. Let's say 50 quid per sale. That's only just to round the numbers up. I always just put, I don't know, 10%. I'll put 4%. That's what I normally put. And then basically you just press submit. Now this goes away and does a bit of work, and we'll come back with a bit of data. I'll just pause this while that's doing, and then I'll come back to it once this one's done and show you what's up. There you go, it's done. That was quicker than what I expected. Right, so AICR certificate is 303, 8,100. Okay, so let's now have a look at what do we say, pat testing. In fact, let's have a look at this again and change this over to pat. So it's 27,100 for pat testing. Pat testing me. What is pat testing? Yeah, so pat testing's got to be the best one for this one, definitely. Let's have a look at pat testing. Bit of a strange one, that, because I think the T does actually stand for test. Put that in there. Going to be electrician again. Oops. We'll keep it at the same. United Kingdom, we'll keep it at 100. We'll keep it at 50. We'll put that at 10. We'll put that at 4. And then we'll do that. See if this one does as quick. I was going to stop it before, but it seemed to do it pretty damn quick. Let's see what this one comes back with. So that one jumped up the top. Oh, that's got like a bigger search volume there. Big cost per click as well. Okay, so this one is electrical testing. I don't know if I spell it right. It's got both words wrong. Oh. Electrical testing. Google.co.uk. Electrical testing. Electrician. And then we've got United Kingdom. We'll say 100. We'll say 50. We'll say 10%. And we'll say 4%. And we'll press submit. So that's the 3 I said I was going to do, but I might have a look at them EICR ones. I'm going to have a look at electrical inspection as well. I should spell electrical. Dyslexic fingers. Electrical inspection. So it's going to be United Kingdom, and it's going to be 100, and it's going to be 50, and it's going to be 2, 4. Press. Well, that was quick. Right. So electrical inspection is not really very good compared to electrical testing. So I'm not even going to bother with that. Let's use that lot. Right. So I've got rid of that one. So what was the AICR one I said? So got right. The AICR test and the AICR report. Let's see what these do. AICR test. Google.co.uk. There. Electrician. United Kingdom. 100. 50. 10. 4. Obviously, if you had a client and you knew what the prices were on the profit and your conversions, you could put the actual right data in. Because I haven't got a client, I haven't got a clue how much it's worth. I can't see there being much of a cost involved in. Oh, what's up there? Oh, I don't know what happened there. Try it again. What was that date? What was it? The AICR test. Yeah. United Kingdom, 100, 50, 10, 4, go. And hopefully this will work. It worked, right. So I'll actually do inspection. So what was that one I was done? AICR test. Yeah, a bit higher, about the same. Yeah, so it's about the same as certificate, so I'll still leave it in for now. What was the other one? Yeah, ICR report. Let's try that one. ICR report. UK. Electrician. United Kingdom. 100. 50. 10 and 4. And go. Okay, so got electrical inspection, AICR report, AICR certificate. So we've got them three together, which will probably end up going into what? Well, it will go into one silo. Pad testing will be its own silo, and these two will probably go together. Also, so I'll delete that one once they come back. That's maybe what caused the error when I delete that one. So I'll get rid of electrical inspection. So yeah, I'm going to have that one, and that one. So 3 silos, 3 services on my page, 3 services on my site. So that looks good. Okay, so basically, I've only done 3 things. Create the actual electrician blueprint, like create the project. Put in that Mr. Electric and put my demo domain in. Did a bit of keyword research and then put the keywords in which I want to target with this site. Okay, so that's what I've done so far. So the next one I moved down to is the website architecture. And this basically is where the magic happens. So I'll click on website architecture and then I'll click on silos. So it comes up now. You can create your silo. The way you used to do before was you used to go through and pick that one for pad testing and find me other one. But now you just click on create your website framework. So you press on that. It takes you back to here, and then it goes and starts working in the background. So, but what you can do is you can have a look at your keywords, see if you can spot anything like electrical testing. You can drill down into them. So like electrical testing, you've got multimeter, continuous. So these are all tools really what are used. So maybe you don't want electrical testing. Yeah, they're more like tools what people are using them. That's more like electrical testing equipment. Test equipment, current tester. Yeah, so what we want, that's not really a good one, electrical test. So, okay, not to worry. If I go back to, I think, yeah. Part testing. Okay, so part testing is going up and down. Part testing course seems to be the highest one. No part test. Part test certificate. Now that'll be something what obviously people will search for. What is part testing question? Part testing in me. Portable appliance testing. 1,600. Part testing frequency, that would be a good one to get in. Part testing requirement. So part testing definitely got keywords what we want to target. Electrical testing doesn't, which is a bummer. Let's have a look, see if this has created it. Nope, hasn't done it yet. Right. So let's have a look at the EICR report. I'll have to delete that one. Electrical inspection. I've deleted all the keywords, but I haven't deleted them. So look at the EICR report. So electrical certificate, electrical safety certificate, landlord electrical certificate. So there's lots in there. But is that the same as that one? Yep, so that looks nice. Landlord electrical certificate again. So them two do look to be the same. Obviously, the AICR test, that's the same as well. So they will merge into one. Just got to find out which one's the best one to target. Not the same. I need to find a different one for electrical testing. Electrical services. Electrical test certificate. That must be different from that, so that could be one. Electrical test certificate. I'll put that in and I'll run that down. Right, so let's have a look. Electrical test certificate. New electrician. But I better see if this thing's done first. I don't know why to break it. Nope, not done yet. What if it's falling? Right, let's going to do this one. Now I'll pause the video and wait till that one. Then I'll wait till that's done. So what was I doing? I want to let real test. Oh, that wasn't spotlight certificate. I think that where it's falling over is done something. What was it? 100, 50, 10, and 4, and submit. Right, so that's better. Let's see what keywords you actually get. It's called AICR again now. Electrical certificate, electrical safety certificate. Same as the same sort of thing. Right, so got that, and 3 are going to go together. We've got pat testing. Then we get rid of the electric testing, I think. I'm going to get rid of the electric testing. Right, what I'm going to do is pause the video while I restart Digital Marketing Toolbox, because it seems like it's falling over. At least I've got this video which I can show Matt what's happened. But it looks like it's fallen over. So I'll pause the video, then I'll restart it.